Hello friends, welcome to Vidyascooking channel. This is Vidya Lakshmi. Today I'm back with a new recipe. I'm going to show you a very famous South Indian recipe. This is amaranth leaves with mutton. So I've used minced mutton here. The mutton is washed and drained using a colander. We normally wash all the blood off the meat. I'll be using ginger and garlic paste. We need garam masala powder, turmeric powder, coriander powder and chili powder. All the ingredients used in this recipe along with measurements will be listed in the description box below this video, or you can click the icon above this video to visit my blog for a written recipe. Here I've placed a pressure pan on medium flame. To the pressure pan I've added 2 teaspoons of oil, and to the oil I'll be transferring the washed meat. Now that I've added the meat, I've placed it on low flame. I'll be adding the ginger and garlic paste to the meat. Now we'll add all the spice powders, garam masala, turmeric powder, chili powder and coriander powder. We'll fry all the ingredients till the meat releases moisture. You can add salt at this point or at the very end of the curry. Here I've added salt, I've added coarse salt, and I'm frying the meat for 5 minutes. The flame setting is on low. Once the meat has fried, it has released considerable amount of moisture, but I'll be adding 1.5 cups of water to this to cook the bones. We'll be placing the lid and a whistle. We'll cook the meat on high flame for 2 whistles or until the meat has cooked till tender. Now that the meat has cooked, I'm going to check if the meat needs to be cooked further. If not, I'm just going to remove it from the flame and I'm going to start preparing the curry. Here I've laid out all the ingredients required for the curry. The meat is already cooked. The amaranth leaves is cleaned, washed and finely chopped and reserved. I'll be using finely chopped chilies, finely chopped mint and coriander, finely chopped onion. We need crushed garlic, lime. I'll be using nutmeg, which I'm going to grate and add. We'll be using cinnamon, cloves, cardamom, fennel, turmeric powder, chili powder, coriander powder and garam masala. I'll also be using ginger and garlic paste. So all the ingredients used in this recipe will be listed in the description box below this video, friends. You need not worry. Here I've placed a wok on medium flame. To the wok I'll be adding 1 teaspoon of ghee and 1 tablespoon of oil. Place this on medium flame, not too high, not too low. Once the oil has heated well, at that point you'll be adding cinnamon, cloves, cardamom and fennel. Once we add the spices, we'll allow it to sputter and the spices should stop sputtering. Now we'll add finely chopped onion. We'll add the curry leaves and crushed garlic. We'll fry all the ingredients till the onion turns transparent. This took me 5 minutes. Now once the onion has turned transparent, we'll add ginger and garlic paste. We'll fry it along with the spice powders, garam masala, chili powder, turmeric powder and coriander powder. Here you can see the onion has fried. Now at this point I'll be adding the chopped amaranth leaves. Amaranth is a very good source of vitamins. When the amaranth leaves is mixed with meat, it enhances the flavor and taste. This is a typical South Indian style dish and we enjoy it with palaus or dosas or even chapati. So my dad was a very huge fan of this particular curry, and even my grandmom was a very huge fan of this. We all like it. So here I have fried the amaranth leaves till it has wilted down a bit. Normally we don't add salt immediately. We just add 1/4 cup of water and allow the amaranth leaves to wilt down a bit. It took me roughly about 2 minutes. So once the amaranth leaves has wilted down a bit, that is when I'll be adding the meat which is cooked. So always make sure your greens are well cooked and then you adjust the salt. The meat already contains salt, so I'll adjust my salt later. Here I've combined the meat well with the greens. At this point I'll be adding another 1/2 cup of water for the greens to cook well and combine with the meat. Now once the meat and the greens has cooked for 10 minutes, I've grated and added nutmeg, about a pinch of nutmeg. This enhances the flavor and taste in the greens and in the meat. Now I'll be adding coriander and mint, which is finely chopped, along with few drops of lime juice. Now I'll be serving the meat curry as hot as possible. For steam cooked rice, you can serve it with biryani, dosas. It's your wish. All the links to my blog and social media will be listed in the description box below this video, along with all the ingredients used in this recipe. Do like me and follow me for regular updates. Do subscribe to my channel, support my channel, friends. I will be seeing you soon with the next recipe video. This is Vidya Lakshmi. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.